you all. I'm Diana Brianne. Romance. I love that topic. I've been married a very long time, and I still have a lot of romance. And I got to thinking about a friend of mine who asked me a question, and she had spent a long time in a relationship, and she still loves the person, and they have a lot in common, but she's ready for a commitment and more out of the relationship, and the other person isn't, or he isn't. And I got to thinking, sometimes there comes a time where we do need to move on. We can do it in the right way, lovingly, kindly, and perhaps even stay friends. Not always can we stay friends when we leave a romantic relationship, but sometimes a person can. And so, but there are times that a person needs to move on, and then there's times that a person just needs some space and room and time, and then the relationship will come full cycle, and it'll turn into exactly what the person wants it to be. But when it's not going to turn into what the person wants it to be, they've got to decide, do they want to stay in it the way it is, or do they want to move on? And if they want something more than what the other person is willing to offer, often they have to move on. From my house to yours, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.